Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to trim background video clips on Pictory. So let's get started. Step 1. Access the scene where you want to trim the background video. Step 2. Click on the trim video icon located under the scene. Drag the slider to your desired portion of the video. As you slide, watch the duration change to match your trim visual. Preview the trim visual by clicking play. If satisfied, click the checkmark icon. You will be prompted to update the scene duration to match the trim visual. Choose yes or no based on your preference. Remember, trimming doesn't delete the removed portion. Easily restore it by using the trim video feature again. So that's it. You can crop polish videos with precision and trim your background visuals effortlessly on Pictory. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.